Okay, then you try it. I can't beat it.
What? Are you serious, man?
Don't go too fast. Just take your time.
It's going the wrong way.
Gotta be real steady. Can you get out of here? Okay, so far so good. Where's he at? There he is right there. Okay, keep going.
So good. I can't do the hand thing. Touch. On the phone, I can. Oh man.
Now don't, you know, touch a little bit more upward. I mean, not downward, because that little swirl thing shouldn't come up on
Squirrel.
this laptop. Move faster. Let me see that thing.
No, I'm not moving faster. You got to take your time.
Yeah, right. What I said.
And how many times did you get messed up?
A bunch.
Exactly.
I have.
Did you even get past second level? Second time here. Could make it. And I made it. Oh my gosh, how's it gonna fit in there?
I have no clue. I have no clue. Okay, I got stereo hooked up, and he's gonna scare his britches off.